Hey everyone, this is the Sheikh Khalid speaking. Here I'm explaining how to join Google Classroom. First, you go to your Gmail, so you register, you click on your Gmail, you get your Gmail like this. You have here some dots, you click on them. Then you go to Classroom, here in this Classroom. For example, here is the classroom. When you join my class, you click on this plus sign, you click on it. You have two options. First one, join a class or create a class. So you join a class. Then you remember the code that I gave you, that I sent you. I sent you through your WhatsApp app. So you type it here, then you join. Then you will be in my class. Thank you.